So this is the ProMount System. What started out as just a simple mount used to hold my domino when not in use has turned into a complete functional system. If you haven't seen the original video, I'll leave a link up on the screen, but in this one I'm going to talk primarily about the new components that I've added to make this more versatile. It fits both the DF500 as well as the DF500RQ, the new version. So make sure to stick around and check it out. So these are the four components of the ProMount system. This is the original ProMount, which is obviously what holds the domino. Then we have the MFT3 adapter, which mounts to the ProMount and allows you to mount it to this workbench. Then we have the wall mount, which allows you to take the ProMount and mount it to the wall. And then we have our thumb screw kit, which is nothing more than just a few 1/4-20 threaded inserts, as well as some thumb screws that work with the inserts to attach your ProMount to basically any surface. Let me break it down. Let me show you what each of the components do. So let's say you want to mount your domino to the MFT3 workbench using the ProMount. In order to do that, you need the adapters. All you do is loosen up this thumb screw using this T-bolt, line it up at the end, and it will slide in. So now they'll slide loosely along the track. Keep it loose for the moment. Line it up with the ProMount. Then the ProMount will slide back and forth. Then you tighten down the lower thumb screws, and you're nice and solid. And now you can mount your domino. Now let's say you want to mount the ProMount or your domino to the wall. You use the wall mount that has these included threaded inserts as well as these metal sleeves for regular screws. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a regular countersink screw, a regular drywall screw, and I'm going to lock it in, level up my mount. I'm going to take the included thumb screws and just use them in the same way I mounted the adapter, right to the wall. I now have a nice solid mount for the wall. I can take my domino, go right there. Now for my own personal setup, when I'm working with the domino, I like to have it close to my regular wood workbench. So in order to do that, I use the thumb screw kit, which is just those threaded inserts, and I have them set into my workbench so that at any time, I just bring the ProMount over, take a couple of the thumb screws, lock it down, and I'm ready to go. Makes it super simple so that I can just take it, set it up really quickly, and then break it down really quickly and not have anything in my way. So all these components are sold as a kit, and they are also sold individually in case you don't need everything. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments. I will leave links for everything in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.